welcome to another episode of irepairitall. Today we have some advanced security key feature with this laptop, and I'm going to show you what it's all about. Let's make this one smaller. So if we open it up, the laptop, we open it up, wrong side. So it's off, as you can see. There's no light, no LED, and won't turn on. Nothing's happening. In this case, we have another way to turn it on. We have to go to the back, open it up with the right screwdriver. Here we have a USB key. Put it out, flip it over, open it up again, and okay, it's on. What a mess. Okay, doesn't mind. So, with this key we can do both. We can turn the machine on. You just plug it in, leave it in for about 7 seconds. Okay, goes fast. It's already off. Now turning on. Nothing happening. So if we plug that key back in just for a second, zip, zip, the machine turns on again. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.